Continuing from the last video, we're looking at methods. And currently we're looking at a method that doesn't return something, it just does something. So we have our class called method example1, and inside that class we have a method, our main method, which we're all familiar with writing now. There's the opening of the main method, there's the closing of the main method. Inside our class we also have another method called print something. So public static is always there, void is the return type, this returns nothing, and then print something is the name, and then the braces, inside the brackets here we indicate what it needs. This doesn't need anything to run, so we just put nothing inside of there. So then here's the opening of the print something method, and there's the closing of the print something method. So again, when I compile and run my program, it's always going to look for the main and then execute it systematically from the top to the bottom. So it's first going to run this line, system.out.println, welcome to the method demo, and then it's going to see this word print something. It's going to recognize that print something is a method because it's declared within this class. The braces are an indication that it's a method. So anytime you see a program that has or a line that has braces on the end like this, it's suggestive that it is a method it's calling. So now I can call print something as often as I want because that's the purpose of methods. Methods are used are designed so that we can reuse code that needs to be called a number of times. So if, for example, I might want to print out something out, system.out.println testing, okay, because this is all doesn't really make sense what we're doing, but we want to take these ideas and apply them in a sensible manner a little later. So if I executed this program, it would print out this line here, and then call my print something method, and then execute the code through here. When it got to the end of the print something method, it would jump back to the program in the main, go to the next line, print out testing, and then end the program. So if I run this now, what we see is welcome to the method demo, and then it calls our method print something, and this is what's inside of print something that it prints to the screen, and then once it's done it comes back to the program and then prints out testing. I can call print something as often as I want. I can call it 2 more times. So if I run this now, if we scroll down, we see that it says welcome to the method demo, and then it says this is a test. So these 3 lines are when it calls our print something method, and then it prints out the line testing, which is right here. Let's just scroll down a bit. And then it calls print something twice more. So it's going to execute print something, and then come back into the main, execute print something, come back to the main, and then it will finish. In the next video, we're going to look at how to send something to a method, because maybe I want to print out something very specific, and we'll see how to do that in our next video.